You know that feeling? Stepping into your Tesla after it's been parked outside? It's basically an oven on wheels. That scorching heat, the blinding glare. You can practically fry an egg on the dash. And honestly, it's killing your interior over time. There's gotta be a better way, right? Finally, meet the Tesery Graphene Front Windshield Sunshade for your Model 3 or Model Y. This isn't just any shade. It uses graphene tech to seriously kick heat to the curb. Seriously, the difference is huge. Your car stays way cooler inside. It blocks all that harsh sun that fades your dashboard, cracks your leather, and just bakes everything. It's custom fit for your Tesla, so it just pops right in and covers everything perfectly. Protect your Tesla's inside from frying. Keep it looking new, keep it comfortable. Tesery gets what Tesla owners need. They made a sunshade that just makes sense. Stop letting the sun bake your ride. Make your Tesla a cool place to be again. Get your Tesery sunshade at Tesery.com today. Visit Tesery.com.